Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about one more example of the mean value, mean square value and variance of the random variable. And this is the previous examination question. The example is a random variable capital X has x bar is equal to minus 3, x square bar is equal to 11, sigma x square is equal to 2. For a new random variable y is equal to x minus 3, find y bar value, y square bar value and sigma y square value. Coming to the solution, given that x bar is the mean value of the x bar is also represented as expectation of x, which is from the given data minus 3, x square bar. So x square bar is also represented as second moment, that is expectation of x square from the given that and its value is 11. And given that variance of x value is 2, and also given that the new random variable y is equal to 2x minus 3. So first find out the first bit solution y bar. So y bar mean value of the y, expectation of y. So given that what is the new random variable y, 2x minus 3, substitute that y value here, expectation of 2x minus 3, and applying the expectation property, expectation of sum of random variables is equal to sum of their individual expectation. So using that property, RHS term of this expression is 2 into expectation of x minus 3. Given that expectation of x value is minus 3, 2 into minus 3 is minus 9. That is the first bit solution. Next, second bit, y square bar. So y square bar means second moment of y, that is expectation of y square. So expectation of y square. So from the given that the new random variable y is 2x minus 3. So expectation of 2x minus 3 whole square. Now we are the first applying the a minus b whole square. So which is equal to expectation of 4x square plus 9 minus 6x. And RHS side applying the expectation property, which is equal 4 into expectation of x square plus 9 minus 6 expectation of x. So given that expectation of x square value is 11, expectation of x value is minus 3, and substitute that values into here, we get expectation of y square value is 71. And this is the second bit solution. And third bit solution. So find out the variance of y. So variance of y is equal to expectation of y square minus expectation of y whole square. From the first bit, e of y value is already calculated. From the second bit, e of y square value is calculated. So therefore, variance of y is equal to expectation of y square is 71 minus expectation of y value is minus 9 whole square, which is equal to minus 10.